In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from Godaddy to Wix. If you've decided to make Wix your new home for your online presence, transferring your domain is an important step to ensure your website remains accessible to your audience. Let's get started and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to log into your Godaddy account where your domain is registered. Once you're logged in, head over to your My Domains section. This is where you'll find a list of all the domains you've registered with Godaddy. Locate the domain you wish to transfer. It's essential to make sure that your domain is eligible for transfer. For instance, if it's recently been renewed, you may need to wait a short period before proceeding. When you find your domain, click on its name to access the domain settings. Here, you'll need to unlock your domain. Domains are typically locked to prevent unauthorized transfers, so this step is crucial. Look for an option labeled Transfer Lock, which might also be called Domain Lock or something similar. Disable this option to unlock your domain. Next, you'll need an authorization code, also known as an EPP code or transfer key. This code is necessary for confirming the transfer between registrars. In the domain settings, search for the option to request this code. Godaddy should either display the code immediately or send it to you via email. Keep this code handy, as you'll need it shortly. With unlock confirmed and your EPP code in hand, it's time to switch over to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Domains section in your Wix dashboard. Here, you should find an option to Start a Domain Transfer. Enter your domain name when prompted and click the Continue button. You will be asked for the authorization code that you obtained from Godaddy. Enter this code carefully and double-check to make sure it's correct. Wix will then validate this code and proceed to the next steps. At this stage, Wix might ask you to complete additional instructions, like verifying your email address associated with the domain. This step helps confirm your ownership and is necessary for the transfer process. After you've completed the verification, Wix will handle the rest of the transfer process on your behalf. This can take a few days, typically up to 7 to finalize. During this period, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your email for any updates from either Godaddy or Wix about the status of your transfer. And that's it. Once the process is complete, your domain will be fully transferred and managed through Wix, allowing you to build and maintain your site with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to Wix's support team, who are always ready to assist.